Tonight we're going to install a Squid Proxy. This is Squid Proxy. It's an open source um, application. First, we're going to download the file. Then after you download first we're going to install the Ubuntu. We're going to install a Ubuntu Linux server. Okay, I'm I'm using one of my ESXi hosts. So we're going to put 4 GB memory. I have only 4 user at home, so 4 GB is enough. I'm going to put 50 GB thin provision. Okay, if you don't have um, virtual machine, you can also use a old PC. In my case, I have a ESXi, that's why it's fine. Even if you have the old PC in your house that is sitting around, as long as you change the hard disk, change it into SSD, you can turn your old PC into a usable device. So now our virtual machine is ready. Okay, in my case, um, I have DMC and LAN side. So in my case, I will put additional leg facing my LAN interface, and another leg is facing my DMC. But if you don't have if you have a single interface, it's fine. If you're only using this one in your home, single leg is fine. So let's interrupt the boot into BIOS so that it will change the um, into CD. Will make it sure it will boot in the ISO file. Okay, let's fire on the box. Okay, we're going to the boot section. We'll bring up CD-ROM drive, ship plus plus, sys ship plus, it will go up. Then we're going to boot. Okay, we're going to install the Ubuntu. Just click next. I just use the default one. Then I use minimal installation because I don't want to install additional software on this one, because I want to use this machine for only proxy. Just click continue. I'll change it into Dubai because I'm located in UAE. I'll put my username, then I'll put the computer name. I'll put RNL proxy for testing. Okay, then the password. I start enjoying open source application. So after installation, you need to restart. If you don't want to watch this one, you can just skip this part. You can forward the video if you already know how to install the Ubuntu. So let's check if we can ping the gateway. Okay, on my first leg, I can ping the gateway. On the DMC, I can ping also the gateway. That means both legs of the proxy are working. Okay, let's try to SSH the box. So SSH is not working because there's no SSH application enabled in the machine so I can ping it from my computer. Let's install OpenSSH server. Sudo apt update. Okay, let's update first the box. Okay, after update, you run sudo apt install OpenSSH server. Yes. This will allow you to install the Open server so that you can SSH from our um, from our PC. So let's check the status. So our OpenSSH server is up and running. Okay, now we're good to go. Let's try to SSH now. You can skip this part if you know already this one. This is only for the beginner. Okay, I can SSH now from my machine. So we can exit this ESXi host. Now we're going to update. Let's see if there's another update for that one. Because okay, now we're going to install now the sudo apt -y install squid. So it will allow you to install the squid proxy. Okay, sudo systemctl start squid. So it will start our squid application. Sudo systemctl enable squid. So it will enable our proxy server. Okay. Then sudo ctl status squid. Okay. Our squid proxy is up and running now. So I think we're doing good. Okay. Let's check sudo apt beam. We're going to install the beam application. So that we can edit the configuration. Just click yes so that it will install our editor. Okay, now we're going to edit the configuration of our proxy. Okay, now go to this one. These are the open port at the moment. I don't want to open all this port. I want to secure my proxy server. I want to allow only port 443 and 80. You don't need all this port when you're browsing internet. Let's you just put asterisk so it will disable this port. Okay, leave this ACL connect method connect. Okay, let's double check. Okay, 3 and 80. Let's put also our local subnet. Let me put the /24 of my subnet. This is my, I put description home. I will temporarily allow this /24 to access this proxy. Okay, then we need to go down. Just leave this one, leave this one. We need to go down this one. We need to modify this one, I think. Yeah, we need to allow this one, HTTP access allow all. Okay, then we need to go down. Okay, this is the port that we're going to use, 3128. This is the default. This is the port that you're going to put on your browser. Okay, then save. After saving the file, um, we need to restart the service so that every time you make a change in the squid configuration file, you need to restart the service to take effect. Okay, sudo systemctl restart squid. Okay, after starting, okay, checks the status. The status is active running. Your proxy is up and running. Okay, so let's try to use this browser. Let's change the setting of this browser. Let's put 10.120.20 port and click this one. Also use proxy for FTP and HTTPS. Okay, now let's test it if it's working. Okay, okay, we have internet. That means something is working. Let's see. Let's hop. Let's use hop of the screen in the browser and hop of the screen for the our PATI. We're going to access the Squid in a browser where we are doing the testing so that simultaneously we can see if we are seeing the logs. Okay, we are going to log in here. Okay, type sudo tail -f bar log squid access log. Okay, this command is very important so that you can monitor the logs, what's happening on your proxy server every time you browse the internet. So let's try to browse it if there's something will show up here. Let's see. I'll type YouTube here. Okay, see, there's some logs and I can see 10.128.1.14 our IP address. Okay, so let me double check ipconfig. See, this is our um, IP address. I put white cover from the ads of the of this YouTube. I just put white box so that it will be closed. Okay, now we'll try to create a blacklisted sites. Okay, sudo nano. Let's try to use blacklist. Let's try to block yahoo.com. Um, what else? Gmail.com and Facebook. Let's see if this proxy is working. Okay, so our file is blacklisted sites.acl. Okay, then save it. Now we're going to access our configuration. 1 minute. Sudo beam etc squid.conf. Okay, you can use beam and you can use also nano if you want. So we're going to create here ACL, okay, then bad underscore URL is your just any name that you want, then destination domain. What is the destination domain? Put the blacklisted sites.acl. It is saved in the etc squid folder. Then HTTP access deny, then call the body URL variable. The body URL is the variable, okay? Then save the file. After saving the file, you need to restart the service. Okay, let's try to view this one. If you want to view a file, use cat. Okay, so this is our file. I'm expecting these are blocked from our proxy. Okay, now let's try to browse yahoo.com. Okay, see, we can see here deny. Gmail, we can see from the log is denied. Okay, that means our policy is working. What about Facebook? Deny also. So the policy is working. Facebook, Yahoo, and Gmail are blocked from our proxy server. Okay, let's try to do something else. Let's edit our configuration. Let's try to remove the Facebook and see if our policy is working. Let's save the file. I'm expecting the Facebook will work now. Let's try to restart the application. Okay, still the logs. Okay, let's browse Facebook. Okay, it's working. So we can see our policy, it's working. Let's test other site. Yahoo, it's blocked. Okay, deny, denied. Okay, so let's try to do something else. Um, we're going to create a keyword, black keyword list. So if they enter this list of word in our browser, it will be denied. Okay, so let's put Instagram and let's say Facebook. Okay, then let's save it. Okay, so any keywords for Instagram and Facebook, it should be denied. Okay, now we're going to modify our policy. We're going to put ACL here. ACL block keyword list. Okay, then put the URL regex, then the file where did we save this keyword block keyword list. Okay, then We'll put HTTP access, deny, then block keyword list. Let's double check. Okay. Block keyword list. Okay. Okay. Make it sure everything is fine. Let's save the file. Okay. Then we need to restart the service again. So every time you make a change in the policy, you need to restart the service. Okay, let's test the new policy that we created. Okay, this is the logs. We're going to test the internet if it's working fine. Okay, now we're going to do search Instagram. Okay, let's click Instagram. Let's click Instagram. See, Instagram's blocked. Our policy that we create that we made is working. Okay, yahoo.com is blocked. Okay, we can also put time, like for example allow Facebook time, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, then we can put also uh, this policy, so between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Facebook is allowed. Okay, let's see. So our current time is 6:59. Let's see. So our time, I think, is time zone is wrong. Okay, this is exciting. We need to troubleshoot. Okay, show time. This is troubleshooting. Asia, Dubai. Okay, so I changed the time zone into Dubai. Okay, now we have the now it's 7 o'clock. Okay, let me restart the Squid Proxy. Okay, okay, let's check. Deny. It's correct. Deny. Because from our time is 6 to 7 p.m. is allowed. So that means, yeah, it's correct. Now let's change the time into up to 8 o'clock. We will allow Facebook. Let's save it. Okay, let's restart the service. I'm expecting now Facebook will work because we allow it from our time. Okay, it's working. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.